Hello, my name is Lorna Bravo, and I will be talking about irrigation efficiency and new technology. Over the last 30 years, new homes have landscapes that tend to waste large quantities of water through irrigation and lack of adequate planning to sustainable landscapes. Turfgrass is a key landscape component, normally the most commonly used single type of plant in the residential landscape. Flawless irrigations of lawns and landscapes represents the single largest use of water from municipal water supplies. One estimate indicates that 4 million acres of managed turfgrass occurs in Florida, with 75% of this as residential lawns. Were you aware that outdoor irrigation accounts for up to 50% of water used in Florida, and up to 50% of the water applied to lawns is lost to evaporation or runoff? How are we addressing the problem? According to the Florida Water 2007 report, reducing landscape irrigation is the single most effective strategy to reduce water demand in Florida. With water demands expected to increase with time, implementing sustainable irrigation practices is vital to conserving water for future use. How is irrigation efficiency improving with new technology? Irrigation systems have been under pressure to produce more with lower supplies of water. Technology provides a means to place science-based decision-making into the hands of those making water decisions in an easy, functional way. One approach is to connect information to users through their smart devices, such as tablets or phones. So what makes an irrigation controller smart? The so-called smart irrigation controllers have appeared in the market for use in residential and commercial applications since the early 2000s. The Irrigation Association defines smart controllers as controllers that reduce outdoor water use by monitoring and using information about site conditions such as soil, moisture, rain, wind, slope, soil, plant type, and more, and applying the right amount of water based on those factors. So what is exciting right now in the world of smart irrigation technology? There are many options. Did you know that there are over 800 models of weather-based controllers that have the EPA WaterSense label? That's right. Exciting new developments are that many ET controllers have remote connectivity. Some are completely controlled by your smartphones. So why are innovative technologies often applied in ways which we miss the full potential benefits? Companies generally promote irrigation technology as if it inherently brings all the benefits, but improperly managed high-tech systems can be as wasteful and unproductive as poorly managed traditional systems. So how can these difficulties be addressed? Through education, collaborative research, and extension efforts with social scientists will help with developing more user-friendly app products, apps that can be further improved by integrating simple additional tools to help users provide more accurate input. Today, the water conservation potential of these technologies depends on weather conditions and site conditions. Generally, irrigation savings can be as high as 30 to 40% during dry conditions and up to 70 to 90% during normal Florida rainfall conditions for properly installed and programmed smart controllers. Thank you.